Pero yung
Okay.
mga oldies, medyo hirap sila. Tapos yun pa yung talagang kailangan mo i asikaso ng maayos dahil skeptical sila eh. So you have to
Yes,
break the
yes.
barrier. And that's what we
Mm.
wanted to do actually. That's why we opened this restaurant, not only for the business, but to show them na Filipino dishes are just like French, just like Thai or Chinese na you can try, 'di ba? Ano ba yung calamansi for example? Because
Mm.
nakasulat yung calamansi sa ating menu. So we have to repeat ourselves all the time. Ano ba yung calamansi?
You have
Ano ba
to
yung calamansi?
explain.
Parang
Mm.
gusto ko na lang mag-print ng calamansi dun sa wall. It's our lime version, small but terrible.